Hang the curve. Hit it. Top speed. Top speed. Woo! We riding, y'all. On my mama, we riding. Oh, we just hit top speed. What is good, YouTube, man? We back with another car POV vlog, man. We go ahead and put this thing in track mode because we not playing today. We finna be on the back road, you know what I'm saying? And bro, I gotta basically take my dad to a little well no, I gotta pick my dad up. He right here behind me. He gotta drop this little van off. Cause yeah, he gotta take it to a place to get fixed. Yeah, watch how I leave him. Woo! Woo! I left that boy. Hey, we go chill though, we go chill. He gonna call my phone. Kayla, why you driving? I should put my phone on Do Not Disturb, cause bro, I do not need him calling my phone. But I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna let my dad drive the car, like, when we on the way back home. Yeah, cause I wanna get, I wanna get a video of my daddy driving my Scatpack. Cause he drove it yesterday and I got some footage, but like, he didn't really get to drive it cause my mom, she was in the car. Like, I ain't gonna lie, my mom, bro, she be OD tripping. Like, y'all know if y'all got a mom like mine, bro, she be scared like of driving. I don't know, bro. I don't get it either. Like, I don't know how you can be scared to go fast. Like, it's real life lit to like go fast. You know what I'm saying? But I guess everybody not like how I am, so. But it's okay though, cause hey, we gonna drive fast, cause that's what we got. That's why we got the whip. Got this slow ass little car coming on there. But let me put my phone on Do Not Disturb. All right, but I had to put the phone on Do Not Disturb real quick, man, cause woo, woo, oh, we lit, oh, we lit, oh, we lit, oh my god, bro, oh my god, bro, this car so lit, bro. This car is so lit, bro. Like, no cap. See, look, we ain't gotta worry about that cause we real life. Like, we in Canada right now. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Ooh. Let's get it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. That's what I'm talking about. Real Scatpack Widebody. Man, you feel me? We slow down though. It's a track up here. That's the only thing we gotta worry about. Somebody on a little golf cart. Give him a little pull. Woo! That's what I'm talking about, man. I'm sorry if the phone was shaking, bro. But literally, that's what happens when you in a 392. Like, it's so much power that it's literally like knocking the phone like up and down. I can't help it for real. And then I'm trying to get a good angle for y'all, so that's why, if anything, like the phone shaking or whatever, that's probably why. Yeah, I'm finna hit it real quick. I don't know if y'all can hear it. Hold on, let me vent the that's too low. We got somebody in front of us, so we gonna chill. Oh my god, this jump be lifting, bro. I really feel like I be in the track house. I ain't gonna lie. How this jump be lifting up, bro? It be having me feel like I'm in the track house, cause y'all know the track house be going crazy. And don't be in the comments saying, boy, you ain't got no track house, bro. I don't care. I got a Scatpack though, stupid ass. 392. Dumb ass. But man, listen, bro. We finna hit this little country road right here. And it's like a little long, straight road. And like, it shouldn't be nobody on it. And if it is, it ain't gonna be too many people on it. We gonna pass them if anything. But yeah. Woo! Oh my god. You gotta slow down, boy. You got that curve right here, ain't no joke. But my daddy taught me how to go around curves, though, so we gonna hang it. We hanging the curve, hanging the curve, Hang in the curb, hang in the curb, hang in the curb. Hit it. Going crazy. Top speed? Top speed? Nah, we gonna slow down. It may be somebody up here. Top speed? Can we hit it? Nah, this is intersection. We gonna slow down. We gonna slow down a little bit. Gotta make, all right, bet. Hit it. Top speed? Can we hit top speed? Can we hit top speed? Woo! We riding, y'all. On my mama, we riding. Oh, we just hit top speed. We just hit top speed. We just hit top speed. Oh my God. All right, baby. Chill, Kayla, chill. Woo, we hit top speed. Hey, I ain't gonna cap, bro. Y'all seen it, bro. I don't know how fast we were going, but I know we went past my top speed though for sure. I'ma chill. Dang. I ain't gonna lie, that jump, I ain't gonna lie, that felt like I was going that fast. I ain't gonna care. See, usually it don't feel like you going that fast, but I ain't gonna lie, that felt like I was going that fast. And it was scary though, cause you got the hills. I ain't gonna lie. Nah, we just went crazy though, real talk. Y'all gotta smash this light button. Smash the light button right now, bro. We real life just broke top speed. No cap. I ain't gonna lie, I could've went faster, but I ain't gonna lie, it got kinda scary. I ain't gonna lie, it did. Like, I'm gonna be honest though, cause like if I would've had two hands on the wheel, like I probably would've kept going. But I ain't gonna lie, like having one hand on the wheel and then, nah, that's crazy. And then you going over hills too, that's crazy. Woo! Oh my God. I ain't gotta love this car, boy. Hang that curve. Okay. Woo! Oh my God, I love the country, boy. You can't do this in the city, boy. You only can cut up like this in the country, man. On me on back roads, bro. Let me slow down, cause this is a little deep curve up here though. Listen, man, if y'all enjoying this vlog, bro, POV, whatever you want to call it, bro, y'all smash the like button, bro. We need to go viral on this channel. We need to go stupid on this channel, man. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I gotta do modifications to the whip, bro. And I told myself I'm gonna grind on this channel. And when I grind on this channel, that's when I'm gonna start doing my little modifications and all that. So y'all make sure y'all smashing the like button, man. Y'all make sure y'all doing all that. Ah, now my camera stuff here. Yeah, y'all make sure y'all doing all that, bro, cause we trying to go crazy. Ooh, I'm gonna lunch it right here. Hold on. Activate lunch. All right. Ooh! Ooh, we spinning, boy. We spinning. Ooh, we just spent like crazy. I'm not gonna lie. We just spent like crazy, bro. Oh God, we did. But we straight though. Let me slow down. Oh, there ain't no police. Bro, we just spent like crazy, bro. I don't know if that was like a good one. Cause I tapped the brake. No, I don't know if I tapped the brake or held the brake a little bit and then went. Are you supposed to have your traction off or on when you do a launch control? Y'all let me know in the comments, bro, cause I had my traction off too, so. I ain't gonna lie, that was fire though. Oh God, we spent out a lot though. I seen my rubber in the back when I was looking through the back rearview mirror. But YouTube, man, I ain't gonna lie, bro, this is lit. I gotta save some of my stories though, cause I'm trying to have my dad. I'm trying to record my dad too when he drives. So y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all smash the like button, and yeah, no cap, man. That's the end of this video. But we got another video coming after this. Y'all stay tuned.